Testing, testing, testing. I am Lee. Look at me. What is good, YouTube? Welcome back. We're gonna do a cleaning tutorial today. This is gonna be an easy one. Actually, I got the shoes right here. Should I? I don't want to move the mic though. I'm just gonna hold it like this. This is an all-white, dirty white leather upper dress shoes slash sneakers. I have no idea. It's Cole Haan. Can you guys see? Cole Haan. I'm basically just going to be cleaning the entire upper. The laces are green. He actually wants me to see if I can find a replacement. But yeah, today is going to be interesting because I have everything set up. Nicely folded cloths, just like how you fold your clothes and put it in the drawer. And then it gets messy again. Let me catch my breath. Lee. Oh yeah, I invited him over to do this cleaning tutorial, so I'm gonna leave this place hopefully in good hands, and Lee should be here very shortly. Actually, no, what time is it? Yeah. He's like 45 minutes late. Just give him another 15 minutes, and yeah, we will get this started. So hope you guys enjoy this. Hope he doesn't mess up. Hope he cleans himself and his stupid mess when he's done, because I'm tired of cleaning after him. So see you next time. Hello? Eon. Okay. How are you too? I am back. Oh my god. So quiet. Okay, I think Eon is sleeping. Just like me wearing this stupid TED shirt sleeping. I like to sleep. I also bought my AW free coffee. Tastes so, oh my god. Hold on. Coffee tastes better when free. Whew, he told me to wear the stupid cooking apron. The shoe looks so stupid and boring. Hello? Cleaning with shoe, and then the brush and very clean cloths. Step 1. Put the solution into the bowl of water. I don't know, too much? Okay, good. And start putting this dirty toy in the shoe. Shoe inspection time. Okay, don't know what I'm doing. Okay, good. Okay, dip it into the water and start cleaning the shoe. Ooh, so easy and so clean. Now I know why Eon like to do this kind of stupid cleaning job. He should just pay me more money. Make sure to clean the entire dirty shoe. I like to clean the shoe. Done. Start to dry the shoe. Drying the butt shut. And then use this brush to do more cleaning. And then dry the shoe. And then should be good. Oh my god, this tutorial is so easy. I think I will call Eon back because this just wasted my time. Grab my cafe and start drinking because this is more fun. I will go watch my movie. Such a waste of time. Oh my god, Eon. No, I shouldn't smile. Something is wrong. Was Lee even here? That's a stupid question. I should know that Lee was here because he freaking didn't clean after himself. Again. What an idiot. Oh my god, why? What? Did he weigh something? No, he didn't. At least he didn't know. At least he didn't drink this. I sometimes wish he would just drink this. Alright, this is okay. I guess he used the soft brush. The medium brush is dry. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that he cleaned the shoe, but I don't trust him, so I'm gonna actually clean it again. Just use the medium brush, dip it in there. Where the hell is he? Okay, apologize for this tutorial, but after you're done cleaning the shoe with the brush, make sure you hand detail it, dip it into the solution, and start going over all over the leather. The green laces, they look kind of clean, but I'm still going to remove it after and dunk it in the clean bowl of solution with Dawn, or just use the existing sneaker cleaning solution. Just don't put it in plain water because that's not really going to do anything. Don't be a dum-dum. And we're going to basically hand detail the midsoles because this one, I don't know, it kind of looks like the Nike Lunarlon running shoes, doesn't it? What is this? It's not even, oh my god. Check that out. It is Lunarlon. Once you're tired and you already hand detailed the entire shoe, just dry it, let it sit outside if it's sunny. If it's not, leave it inside, air dry it, and then do a second round as necessary depending on the shoe stains and all that stuff. I don't know what else to say. I think this is a very easy pair of shoes to clean, but I do appreciate that particular customer for handing this over to me. He actually, hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, right. There it is. Whoop. Hula. Ooh, Poke Bowl. I guess it's a coupon. My customer gave me this 2-for-1 Poke Bowl. Awesome. I'm gonna definitely use this. Just hope that your poke is good. I guess he stopped by today, dropped me his pair of shoes, and at the same time did a little business advertisement to suck me in someday to spend money at his shop. But you know what? This is what business is all about. You do something for me, I probably won't do something for you. That's just me. I'm selfish. Hula. Cool. Okay, yeah. Sorry, guys. Like, this is getting me hungry. I want 2 bowls for myself. Yeah. So just, yeah. You know what? Just do whatever. Get the shoe clean.